All right, so the next thing we're actually going to do now is apply colors to our design, and we'll be as fast as possible. So try and keep up with me. So I select the search bar and I reduce the opacity to 20, or let's say 25. So that is out of the way, and then I select the navigation rectangle and I make it all white, but I give it a drop down shadow, and the drop down shadow I'm going to reverse it. Instead of 4, I'm going to take it to -4, then blur of 8 and opacity of 10. So we're done with that. So I come to the home section part and I change the color to for the indication of what page we are on at any point in time, and I make it blue. But now if you notice, the blue is behind the other one, so I bring it forward and I also select the other one and I make it blue also again, but this time I reduce the opacity to 20, or let's say 25. No, more like 20. I want it to be like a very, very light shade. So we're done with that. So we're done with our home page. So we move quickly to our product description page. So I select the book cover and I duplicate it. I remove the fill and I create another fill, but instead I make it black for the background and reduce the opacity to 20. So I change the color of this to white so we can view it. Then the back arrow to white so it's visible. And also for this first one, I'm just going to reduce the opacity to 50. Then the second one, I'm going to change the color to our buy now button. I change the color to blue and the text color to white. So I change the text color to white. So we have just one more thing to do on this page, which is this. So I reduce, okay, not reduce. So I change the color of the background back to white and I give it an effect of drop down shadow, which is 4 already. Well, I reduce this to 2 and blur to 8, opacity to 10. So I'm going to do that for the other side real quick. -2, blur of 8, opacity of 10. And that's all for that. So for the indication on the page, I just select that and I change the color to this. And we are done with our design. So apparently, I hope you learned something new from this today. So we have come to the end of this particular design for now. But to give it just a little bit of finesse, what we can do is, so iPhone actually has these rounded corners from 11 upwards. So and we're working on an 11 frame size. So it's going to have the rounded corners. So I just give it corner radius of 20 rather. So it has this round feeling. And we're done. So hopefully you got to try this along with me and you learned something new. We have come to the end of the video for now. See you in the next video.